Hi friends, here is a simple problem based on composition of functions. Here we are given f of x equals a minus x by a plus x. Obviously, x cannot be equal to minus a because the denominator will become 0. So this is x cannot be equal to r minus a. Then suppose for any real number x not equal to minus a, f of x not equal to minus a. Again f of x equal to x. What does that mean? In the place of x, if we substitute a minus x by a plus x in this equation, then that should be equal to x. Basically, this statement means we are given an equation. What is that equation? In the place of x, if we substitute a minus x by a plus x in here also, then that should be equal to x. Okay, we are given an equation in terms of a and x. Then we have to find out what is f of minus 2. Okay, let us solve this equation and try to see whether we can calculate a and then find out what is f of minus half. Minus half is obviously is x. So we have to find out what is this a. Okay, that is the whole. Let us just directly substitute a minus x by a plus x in the place of x. Okay, like this. So f of a minus x by a plus x is equal to x. What does that mean? In the place of x, let us substitute this a minus x by a plus x by a plus a minus x by a plus x. This should be equal to x. What does that mean? If you this one, this will become a square plus ax minus a minus of minus plus x. That is the numerator, right? A into a plus x. A into a plus x, that is a square plus ax minus of a minus x. That is minus a plus x. Right, that is this numerator. Similarly, what is the denominator? A square, a square plus ax plus a minus x. A square plus ax plus a minus x equal to x. Because this and this will get cancelled. Okay, so let us take this denominator to the right side. This becomes x into a square x, ax into x, ax square, a into x, ax, minus x into x, which is minus x square. So now what we do? Let us take some terms common. This a square and this a. This becomes a square minus a, which is a into a minus 1. This part. Then this ax and this ax will get cancelled. Okay. This and this get cancelled. This x, this a square x. Okay. This becomes x into a square x into a square minus 1. That is this term. Okay. Now ax square minus x square. The fourth term that is left, that is x square into a minus 1. Okay, so that is a simplification of this one. Now let us take this left hand side also to the right hand side. What does that mean? Now we can, what does that mean? This means x square into a minus 1 plus x into a square minus 1 minus of a into a minus 1 is equal to 0, right? This means if you take this one to the right side. Now, let us take a minus 1 common. A minus 1 is there at 3 places, right? A minus 1 into x square plus a square minus 1 is a minus 1 into a plus 1. So, it will not will be left a plus 1 into x minus a equal to 0. Now, if you notice, this is product of, this should be equal to 0, obviously, right? So, this is a product of two terms, this one and this one. Now, this is a quadratic equation. Because this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic equation. How does a quadratic equation look? It will look something like this. Okay, it can at max touch x-axis twice. It can at max be 0 at 2 times. Okay, so but the product has to be 0. Obviously, if a is a equal to 1, then this product is always 0. So a is equal to 1 is a clear solution, right? Otherwise, it need not be, it will not be always 0. It will be dependent on other factors, right? B square minus 4ac should be equal to 0, whatever. But if a equal to 1, then this is always 0. So a equal to 1 is the solution. Now, what does that mean? f of x is equal to 1 minus x by 1 plus x, right? Now, what is f of minus 2? 1 minus 2 by 1 f of minus half, 1 minus half by 1 plus minus half, which is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, which is nothing but 3. Right, yes, very, very simple problem. It just involves very basic algebraic manipulation, substitution of this thing, again in this thing, and very, very basic algebraic manipulation. Right, guys. Thank you.